welcome to a brand new video here from Bulgaria. And this morning we started our day here at the awesome Shipka Memorial. It's an Orthodox church in Russian style. It's near to the village of Shipka. It's actually a 1.5 hour drive from the city of Plovdiv, from where we came this morning, and then you can enjoy this beautiful church here in Bulgaria. What an epic place, guys! This place, guys, is definitely unreal, and it's called Buzludzha, I think is the name, Buzludzha Monument, and it was built by the communist government, and it's very high up the mountain, and the whole building is covered in clouds. And if you are in this area, check this place out. One of the coolest things I've ever seen, guys. Also, when coming up here, there's this little parking area. As you can see, no one is here. I think there are not too many people coming. Thank you.
How much did you pay?
20 leva in total. After a 30-minute drive from this awesome place over there, we came to the ethnographic open air museum here in Etar. There are plenty of coins in it. Always pretty impressive how they built everything back in the days. If you imagine, it's over 150 years old.
Traditional apple pie.
Looks good, huh?
Smells good. Wow. Still a little bit warm.
Really good. You can also do plenty of different workshops over here, like craftsmanship or pottery. There's also a cute little coffee house up there. A very nice place to come to here in Etar, near to Gabrovo. Got a lovely seat here at the coffee house, and we got some Turkish coffee
And sweets.
So this is Veliko Tarnovo, one of the coolest cities here in the country. Just checked into our hotel, and now we have an afternoon and evening to spend here in the city. So let's see what we can do. First thing we do here in Veliko Tarnovo is coming to Cerevets Fortress, which is the old palace of the Bulgarian kings, and precisely 206 meters above sea level. The entrance is 10 leva per person, so about €5. We've been to the cathedral and to the fortress, and this whole area is very huge and you can just walk around and enjoy this old fortress. We are going now to the Love Swing, hopefully catch a nice view, which should be 29 minutes away from here. So guys, the walk up here to the swing is actually quite hard.
Especially when it's hot, like
Yes.
today.
Finally made it to the swing over Veliko Tarnovo, and what a hike, guys. I really can say crazy. But now we are here and you get this awesome view. Street is a very nice one. Sunset is close. We are looking for a good restaurant. Found a little terrace overlooking the city. This is just a bar for drinking. Don't know the name, but the view is actually pretty good. What is better to end up a day with some food, and the restaurant we chose is Pektopatu Vaktabu. I don't know the name, how to say it properly, but usually you can have a very nice table at the terrace, but I think you have to make a reservation for it. Wow, look at this. Looks awesome.
It's sujuk, potato, and my favorite aiva.
Thank you very much. Wow, amazing.
Thank you.
Look at this, guys. Ooh. So I got some chicken meatballs. Doesn't look like a ball, but looks very delicious, I can say. Hope you liked this little video here from Bulgaria. It was an awesome day, and we're driving now tomorrow, and we are driving tomorrow to the coastline. Very excited for this, so stay tuned. Hopefully see you in the next one. Peace.